Wow, an enormous candy machine. Baby bear! Uh-oh, candy crash.
Stop, kids. You shouldn't eat so many candies. I told you. Now you need to go to the toilet.
Look, they're all different. Yikes! Bottom burp blast! Ah! He's blasted all the signs off!
Oh no! What toilet should they choose now?
Baby bears picked the purple one. Cute!
Wow! Ladudu is so kind.
Ew! Rainbow poos are popping up. Run, baby bear! We need the poo patrol. Ooh.
Looks like Baby Bear needs to find another toilet.
Let's try the green one. Oops, Chaka beat you to it. This room's slippery and slimy. Watch out, Chaka! Monster!
Be careful! This toilet belongs to a zombie.
Get out of there before he zombifies you! Take that! Huh? Ew, fungus breath!
Chaka managed to escape from the zombie.
Try the blue toilet next. Oops, Lily got there first. It's a seaside toilet room.
Can I use your toilet, please?
Uh-huh. Mermaid's gonna flush the ocean away. Oh no, she started a water whirlpool.
Oh no! This toilet is flooded.
Baby bear's bouncing to the brown toilet. Uh-oh, this looks spooky and scary. Vampire! Huh? Uh-huh. But it's upside down.
Do you think you can use the vampire toilet?
Yikes! Now no one can use this toilet!
Huh?
Whoops! Guess Baby Bear needs to find another toilet.
Lily's picked pink.
Wow! Lily's found the toilet for girls.
Find the boys' toilet, kids, before it's too late.
Hooray! This toilet is free. Kids, stop! No need to fight.
Looks like baby shark splatter's busting too.
Oh no! Now this toilet is occupied.
Wow! Look at Pico's birthday cake!
You can only eat the cake after dinner.
It's okay. Let's have some fun first. Billy, what are you still doing here? No! Stop! Billy thinks he's in Cake World, where fruits have a sweet surprise inside. Boing and bounce on iced hills. Make creamy icing angels. But really? He's just being greedy and eating cake. He's missing out the fun. Pico's got a pile of prezzies to slide down. Huh? Who's asleep? What? The cake can't snore. Lift the box, Mom. Oh no! Billy's fat and full.
You've eaten my birthday cake! cake.
Billy, look! You've made Pico cry! Uh-oh. Watch out! He's a rolling wide weeble. No, the vase. Well caught, Mom! Rebound rolling ball, Billy. No, the presents.
You've broken my presents.
Split, splat. Spaghetti scoop. Aye, Dilly. Bearded bunny. Fruity looking lily. Oh no, the chicken! Yikes, Billy's so fat he's broken the table. Ah, the door's open!
Help me!
Quick before he rolls onto the road. Phew, he's stuck in the doorway. Come on, everyone, pull! I know you're angry, Pico, but please help to pull. Hevo! Uh-oh, bubbly belly!
I have a stomachache.
That's what happens when you're greedy and eat too much. Smelly fart cloud.
You can't eat so much cake without sharing it with others.
I'm sorry.
Now we can make a cake together.
Yeah! This is fun, isn't it, kids? Billy! Now you look like Pinocchio. Haha. Splish, splash, splosh in the paddling pool. Oops, you've splashed out the water. That's called a belly button, Billy. No, kids, don't touch that. All the air's coming out. Now it's collapsed. It's okay. That won't happen to you. Oh dear, Mom, quick!
Don't worry.
Look, Mom's pumping it back up. The babies think their belly buttons are the same as the pool stopper.
The navel cord connects the baby and mother as the baby grows in the belly. And the belly button is the trace from the navel cord.
See, kids? That's how you were attached to Mom in her belly. Don't splash it all out this time, kids. Uh-oh. Lily's having a checkup. Doctor has to listen to make sure everything's okay. No, Lily, that's your belly button, not a spot. You only have one belly button. No, leave it alone. We don't cover them up. Tell Lily about her belly button, Doctor.
As the baby grows inside its mother, it feeds through the navel cord. Then, the baby is born and no longer needs the navel cord.
So that helped you grow big and strong.
And now you can eat on your own.
And burp on your own, too. Billy, don't chew toys. Willie, stop that. Put Robot down, see if he walks. Wow, he lights up, too. Quick, Robots grab Billy's belly. Oops. No, Willie, that's not a button like Robots. Willie doesn't know what belly buttons are, does he? Come on, kids, play nicely. No, Willie. Watch this. When babies grow in Mom's belly, they're fed through a tube. When you're born, it isn't needed anymore. He's doing the belly button dance, haha. Come on, kids, eat up your veggies. pizza. Where are you going? You can't go in there. Oh, no! Oh, dear. Wow, a pizza-making machine. Which toppings do you want, Billy? Oh, chocolate and candy. Lily wants fruity fun. Healthy fruit for Lily, too. Yikes! Lemon splat! The juice is stinging her eyes. Strike! Payback time. Oh, fiery hot chili. Oops! It's all white, haha. Let's roll the dough. Pull a handful off. A perfect circle base, Billy. Love heart for Lily. Yuckapoo! Don't cry, Willy. We can fix it. Wow, superstar. Choose your sauces. Red and white mixed together. Makes pink, yeah. Blue and yellow mixed together makes... green, that's right. Which color for you, Billy? Whoa, not all of them. What color will they make? Brown. Oh no, take cover! You've broken the sauce machine, Billy! Not again! There's not enough room! Here it comes! Brown blast. Fresh and fruity. Chucky topping treat. And they're ready. Kids, look at the mess you've all made. That's right. We should always clean up after ourselves, shouldn't we? Sweep until it sparkles.
Huh?
There for table 2, Chef. What about your veggies? Scrummy. Yummy in your tummy, haha. Look at their clean plates, Mom. Not a crumb left. Pizza party, yeah! Crunchy corn. Oh, Pico, what are you doing?
Popcorn tastes better.
Haha, it's pouring popcorn. Huh? Billy has a blue blaster.
Ooh. Ice cream tastes better.
It zaps everything cold.
Eating cold food is bad for your health.
Watch out! Pico's blaster zaps everything hot! No, Billy.
Too hot, and you might get burned.
But you've frozen it into ice, Billy. Uh-oh. His rod is frozen stuck! Oops.
Huh?
Wow, ice skates! Billy's a cool skater kid. No, Pico! Watch out, Billy. It's gonna melt. Splash down! Pico, Pico, that wasn't nice. Yikes, payback time. Billy, now he's caught an ice cube. No! You bust your blasters. But hey, what's that controller there? It looks like it's a weather controller. Ooh, it's raining. We're so cold too. Dad won't be sunbathing for long, will he? Pico wants hot sunshine. Billy's hot under the collar, haha. I'd keep the brolly, Dad. This weather is changeable today. No, Billy, that's frosty, ice-cold snow. It's freezing. You need your coat now, Dad. At least Billy's having fun with his snowman friend. But not for long, now that Pico's pressed for the hot sun again. You two need to stop! If you keep changing hot to cold, you're gonna get sick. Oh no, it's gonna blow! Uh-oh. And now you're both sick. Dad, it's because they kept changing the temperature.
Cold and heat are very dangerous to mess with.
Not too hot, not too cold. Warm's the best, haha.